Wash, brought to you by Straight Outta Content. And today we're going to teach you a little DIY trick. This DIY trick is how to keep your wheels nice and shiny black without using tire shine. My wheels are Plasti Dipped. Sometimes they get really dirty, but a good trick to keep them clean because the product is rubber is Armor All. Yes, if you want to keep your wheels nice and clean, this is a very quick trick to keep them nice and shiny black. Let's see how this works. First thing you want to do is shake up your Armor All. Never spray it directly onto the tire, always spray it onto the rag. And that is how you take your wheel from this to this using Armor All Shine. Okay, guys, thank you for tuning in to this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like more DIY tips on how to keep your car very clean. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like more tips and tricks on DIY projects on how to keep your car very clean. Stay tuned for the next video, guys. Thank you.